Welcome to At Your Pace Online's course on professionalism for contractors and tradesmen. There are a lot of misconceptions about what it means to be professional, and even more about how professionalism applies to contractors and tradesmen. This course specifically looks at how professionalism applies to our work on a day-to-day basis and how it can help us excel at our craft and our business. But even more importantly, how it can enhance our bottom line. A quick word about our courses. They're designed so you can do as much or as little as you want at one sitting. You can get up, step away, and then pick up where you left off whenever you come back. You can pause the course, log out, or even shut down your computer. Please bear in mind, though, that this is a timed course with minimum time requirements mandated by the state. In order to meet these time requirements, you must review each section and watch each video. If you skip through the course quickly by clicking Next as quickly as possible, you won't learn anything. And unfortunately, you won't complete the course because you didn't meet the time requirements. Only your time actually reviewing materials, watching video, or taking quizzes counts towards your class time. If you pause or log out from the course, get up and come back 2 hours later, it won't count as 2 hours of class time. Now, let's take a look at the material.